Is your dishwasher rack not sliding smoothly, rusting, or even falling off track? Most rack problems are easy to fix. Welcome to HNK Parts. Today, we'll show you how to fix common issues in your dishwasher. Dishwasher rack issues are more common than you think. From broken wheels and cracked tines, to racks that won't roll or sit straight. These small problems can lead to poor cleaning and damaged dishes. If your rack feels stuck or uneven, check the rack wheels first. Worn or broken wheels are the #1 cause of sliding issues. The fix? Simply replace the damaged wheels. No tools required in most cases. Also, make sure the track is clean and free from food buildup. Rusted or broken tines can scratch dishes and cause them to tip over. You can temporarily use tine caps to prevent further damage, but for a long-term fix, replacing the rack is the safest option. Rust spreads fast, so don't ignore it. If your rack keeps coming off the track, check the rack stops at the end of the rails. These small plastic parts prevent the rack from sliding out completely. Replacing them takes just minutes, but makes a big difference. To keep your dishwasher rack in great shape, avoid overloading heavy dishes, clean the rails regularly, and inspect the wheels every few months. Need replacement rack wheels, rack stops, or a brand new dishwasher rack? At hnkparts.com, we offer high-quality replacement parts you can trust with same-day shipping across the USA. Follow us on social media for daily updates, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.